Do you want to make extra money without spending a dime? In this video, I'm sharing 7 real ways to boost your bank account, from passive income hacks to easy gigs, mystery shopping, and even getting paid to browse. So this will be a video with no fluff, no BS, no investment needed. Just real and realistic ways to earn some extra money. So in case you don't know who I am, my name is Michael and I have made a living online for years and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And in this video here, I will focus on some different ways to boost your bank account, whether you want to earn online or find some local opportunities to earn some extra money. What they all have in common is that they are easy to get started with and they are totally free to get started with and use also. None of them is some kind of magical way to become rich, because that just does not exist, but they are real ways to earn some extra money, and many of them you can also start earning immediately. So let's jump into the first opportunity. It's not as such a prioritized list, because which of these options are the best really depends on your personal preferences. So you can just use one of them, two of them, all of the different options here. That's completely up to you. So let's get on with the list. So the first option is to get free stuff and sell it. And it might sound weird, but it is actually possible. There are plenty of places, especially online now, where you can go and find free stuff. And it could, for example, be a website like freecycle.org there, but it could also be Facebook Marketplace. It could also be Craigslist. They have a free section also. There are many different places where people are giving away. It can also be local Facebook groups, for example, when people are moving. So there you can sometimes find free stuff that is actually in a really good condition. People just want to get rid of it. Maybe they're moving, maybe they just don't need it and want some space, and sometimes they just need to be fixed a little bit. Sometimes you don't need to do anything, and then you have some great stuff that you can then sell. So you can then also sell it, for example, on Facebook Marketplace, through different local apps, or however you want to go to a garage sale and sell it there. And this can actually be a really great way to make some extra money. And a small bonus tip here is that, for example, look for college move out weeks or local garage sale leftovers, because in situations like this you can often get some really amazing things without paying anything at all. The next is browser extension that will actually save your money. And one example is, for example, Cooper. Another example is Rakuten here. And those are websites where you can install a browser extension in both on Chrome, but also on many other browser extensions. And then they will let you know automatically whenever you shop online anyways, which most of us do anyways. Then they will show you if there are, for example, some coupon codes, or you will also be told if there's cashback offers. So you will get money back into your account here whenever you spend money that you were going to spend anyways. And saving money is the same as free money, in my opinion, and most of us shop online anyway, so why not use opportunities like this so we can get the best possible deals and save as much money as possible, which gives us more money to spend for other fun stuff. When talking about free ways to make some extra money, we also have to talk about online service. It is one of the absolute easiest and fastest way to earn some extra money online. It's not something that will make you rich or anything like that, but you can join legit good sites and earn some really nice extra money from your phone or from your computer just by sharing your opinion. And one option is, for example, Opinion Edge, where you can easily both answer surveys on the website, but also through the app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. And on a website like this, you don't need to earn more than $5 once you've just had your membership for a while there. And then you can easily get paid, for example, via PayPal Cash or gift cards. And this is just one great example. There are many great service sites, but the best ones really depends on your country. That's also why I on my website have made lists that shows you the best service sites for specific countries. And you can just come here. I will leave a link to that below. I will also leave a link I have to a full Opinion Edge review if you want to know specifically more about that one. And then you can go here, choose your country, and then see the best opportunities there, learn all about them, because paid service definitely is a fast way to earn a bit of extra money on the side, as long as you do it with the right expectations. Sharing unused internet for passive income is actually also a way to earn, and The great thing about this opportunity is that it is 100% passive once it's installed, so it's just set and forget. But you do need to do it with the right expectations. It's not something that will make you rich. It is just something you can get a little bit extra on the side. So if you have an unlimited internet plan and are online a lot, whether it's on your phone or your computer, then using platforms, for example, like Pawns or GetGrass, that's the two best opportunities like this that I have come across. Then you just install it, then you earn some extra money, and once you've earned, you can take it out. Pawns, for example, pays via PayPal, Bitcoin or gift cards, and GetGrass pays in its own cryptocurrency. And in general, it's just easy way to earn a bit extra, even though it's not a lot. But if you want to know more about passive income apps like this, I'll leave a link below to a list I have of options like that on my website. Let's now talk about mystery shopping jobs, because this is actually a fun way to earn, because you can actually get paid to, for example, shop or eat out. You go to, for example, a platform like Field Agent. There are quite a few different mystery shopping platforms. I also have a list of some of the best ones on my website. I'll also leave a link to that below. Then you sign up for free there. Then you find a task in your local area. You get a quick task. You need to go there, for example, eat out or go for an experience, go into a shop, and then you need to report about your experience, follow whatever you're told, and then you will get paid. Or in some cases, you will just get the meal, for example, for free, or the product for free. So it can be quite interesting if you live in an area where there are quite a lot of shops or restaurants. Then there will likely also be mystery shopping jobs. It might sound strange, but you can actually also get paid to train AI. And that can be, for example, on platforms like Hive Micro or Remotasks. That's some of the popular ones like this. And some of the most common tasks for a job like this is labeling images, auto transcriptions, and drawing boxes around different images. So you help train AI. So it's not actually just about clicking buttons or drawing lines. You are helping train the future of AI, and you're actually getting paid for it. It's not something that will earn you a lot if you get jobs or tasks on some of these micro job sites that I just showed you, but there are also jobs where it can potentially become a full-time job, and this can also be seen as a data entry job. So you would need to look for platforms, for example, like I've shown here, or other platforms where you can find data entry jobs to find this type of task. And I also do have a list on my website of the best platforms to find data entry jobs. I will also leave a link to that below, so you can go and check that out if you think this sounds like a type of work you would like to do. Gig economy jobs can also be a great way to earn some extra money, and this is great for people that in many cases want to do something active and flexible, because usually it is platforms that offer to find small gigs in your local area. It can, for example, be TaskRabbit. It can also be something like Fetch Pet Care if you like animals. Then you can see you can, for example, become a dog walker or take care of dogs, or for example on a platform like TaskRabbit, you can help moving, become a personal assistant, furniture assembly, IKEA assembly. You can see, for example, some of them there are $46 per hour. There was one $15 per hour. So depending on the jobs, you can earn some quite decent money here. This can also be jobs like delivery jobs. There are many different kinds of gig economy job, and it can give great flexibility. And if you put in enough effort, you can actually also earn some really nice extra money like this. I also do have a list on my website of the best gig economy jobs, so you can go and check that out if you want to know more about any of these opportunities or see many of the other great gig economy platforms that I have come across. So as you can see, if you're looking for some extra money going into your bank account, then there are some great options no matter your preferences, whether you want to earn in your local area or online. There are many fast ways to get started. And for each of these different methods I've shown you here, there are many different options, and I will leave links below to more info about the different options I've talked about here, so you can easily get started and find more information about your chosen options. And also please let me know in a comment below, which of these do you think sounds the most interesting? If you have tried any of them, what are your experiences? I would love to hear that. And if this video helped you, also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.